Welcome to the Baylor Library's brief introduction to Zotero. Zotero is a citation management software. That means that it helps you save, organize, and cite the resources that you need for your research. It has a browser tool that collects, manages, and cites research sources. It's simple to use and it lives in your web browser where you do your work. Best of all, it's free. Zotero allows you to attach PDFs, notes, and images to your citations, organize them into collections for different projects, and create bibliographies using Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, or Google Docs. Once you've downloaded both the Zotero library and the Zotero browser connector, you're ready to get started using Zotero to save and organize your sources. Zotero works in library databases as well as some external websites. Let's give it a try. Let's say you're on the library's website using OneSearch to do some research. You come across a search result that looks like it might be relevant to your topic, and you want to save it so that you can access it later as well as cite it in your bibliography. You need to make sure that while you're doing this, you have your Zotero library open as well. If you want to save your sources to the main library, you can, but to stay more organized, you can create a folder specifically for a class or project. I'll go ahead and create one for my English 1310 class. So we have Zotero open, and now we can go ahead and get into OneSearch. I'm on the library's website, and I can enter a quick keyword term or select Advanced Search to see more search options. I'll click Advanced Search. Then I'll go ahead and enter Shakespeare, William, and search by author. Once I hit search, you'll notice that the browser connector for Zotero changes its icon to a folder. If you see a folder icon, you're able to save multiple items at once, so this usually appears on a search results page. Once I see one that I want to save, I can click on the title, then I can go ahead and select the browser connector, and you'll notice that it will save to whichever folder I had open in my Zotero library. So if I open up my Zotero library, I can now see the item in my English 1310 folder. You'll also notice that I can see additional information about the item, such as the author or authors, title, and publication information on the right-hand side. This is where you'll want to make any changes if something did not port over correctly. You can easily click on each box to make your edits. The information that you have in here is what will ultimately be used to create your bibliography, so just make sure it looks right. Now let's say that I'm in Microsoft Word typing up my paper. I'll go ahead and type a sentence here, and then include an in-text citation. I can click the Zotero tab, and then select Add Edit Citation. It will prompt me to choose a citation style format. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and choose MLA 8th edition. Then you'll see the red box appear, and I can begin typing either a title or author, and it will search through everything that I have in my Zotero library. I can find the item that we saved and then hit enter. It will produce the in-text citation for me. Now I want to complete my work cited. So I just need to go into the Zotero tab and choose Add Edit Bibliography. And you'll notice that Zotero will automatically produce your reference for you. As you can see, using Zotero will help you stay organized with your research as well as produce accurate citations in a time-efficient manner. Please be sure to check out the Zotero Library Guide for more information at researchguides.baylor.edu/Zotero. You'll also find information regarding workshops held at the library and more.